When starting a fitness journey, your mind is clouded with questions. And I'm here to answer one such question today. When I started out, I used to think more workout equals more results. And with that mindset, I used to work out twice a day every single day. But that's not how it should be. More workout does not maximize your gains. Well, how often should you work out then? Let's find out. If you work out 7 days a week to maximize results and to increase performance, then you're actually doing the opposite. Instead of increase in performance, you may experience plateau and your performance may go down. And on top of that, you're putting yourself at the risk of injury. This is called overtraining. This happens when you don't give your muscles enough time to recover. So what's the ideal workout frequency? 3 times a day full body workout is a good start if you're a beginner. You can train each muscle group 3 times a week this way. Only 3 days? But I want to train hard. And I want to get strong fast. No, you don't have to train hard. You need to train smart. Rest is as important as the workout itself. Here is why. When you work out, your muscle tissues break down and your body's response to that is
this tool keeps damaging his muscles. I'll fix his muscles to make them stronger so it doesn't damage them again.
little does it know that we train harder every single workout session. But this recovery takes time. It can happen in just one day. The recommended recovery time is 48 hours for each muscle group. Let's say you train biceps today. Then ideally, you shouldn't train your biceps again within 48 hours. How much cardio should you do in a week? Cardio? I hate cardio. Why would I lose my muscles by doing something stupid as cardio? I get it. You don't want to lose your muscles. But by avoiding cardio, you're ignoring your heart. What will you do with muscles when you don't have a healthy heart and can't live a long life? And besides, doing steady state cardio, you won't lose much muscle either. A minimum of 150 minutes of steady state cardio is recommended per week for a healthy heart and long life. So along with 3 days a week strength workout, try to go for a 30-minute walk 5 days a week. Or adjust it as you want to hit the 150-minute goal. If you really want to work out more than 3 days a week, then adjust your plan to give each muscle group 48 hours to recover. And you can always take a day off if your muscles feel sore. Listen to your body to avoid overtraining. Does the workout frequency depend on fitness goal? Well, it kinda does. If you want to lose weight, then you'd want to incorporate more cardio into workout routine. And if you want to gain muscle, then do more strength workout. But in the end, it all comes down to diet. No matter how much you work out, you won't see results if you don't follow a proper diet. To lose weight, you need to be in a calorie deficit, and to gain muscle, you need to be in a calorie surplus. Without taking calorie consumption into consideration, you won't see results. And if you don't know how calories work and how to know your maintenance calories, then check this video out. I'll leave a link in the description. To sum it all up, do full body workout 3 days a week. Do a minimum of 150 minutes steady state cardio. Do not overtrain and listen to your body. Give each muscle group 48 hours to recover. Rest days are important for muscle growth. And finally, try to get 8 hours of quality sleep. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.